I got bitches with me wild. I met a bitch in Bali. I met a bitch in Dallas. Now she working magic. Make a bitch move to the city, nigga. I got ball status. Da Vinci on my sweater, bitch. I'm way above average. Rolex on me on TikTok. Savage rock around with the big block. I'm a real gangster, I don't shit talk. Slaughter gang, nigga love to kill. All my pieces flooded. All my drinks come muddy.
Alright, y'all. I'm running late per usual, but I am. What time? It's 8 a.m. I'm headed to drop the AMG off. What am I doing? Oh, I'm dropping it off. I got new springs. Let me turn this down. I got new springs for it. Like I said, I was gonna do H&Rs and shit. I just been so busy this week. I bought some. They came in in like 2 days from eBay, and I set an appointment at the little local shop out here to get them put on. So it's about Wednesday. I'm about to drop it off and let them put them on the line. I was trying to get a cold start and stuff this morning before I left the house, bro, but I was late. And I ain't even awake right now, for real. That's why I'm fumbling my words and shit. What the fuck? But yeah, bro, this car's so damn finicky, man. Like, I got like 100 pounds in the trunk right now, and just from me sitting there in the trunk, you can like tell it's like a difference in like the geometry and shit, how this shit handling like quick. If it damn near feel like the front end is kind of weightless a little bit, just cause that weight in the back. But anyway, before I just be rambling on, I'm sleepy as hell for real. But yeah, I'm probably like 5 minutes away, 5-6 minutes away from the shop. So when I get there, I ain't even opened up the H&Rs yet, but they came in and the box looked good, so I ain't even fuck with it. I was busy, but I'm gonna check on the springs and then we're gonna go back home. I'm gonna probably nap while they do this shit, but I'll show y'all the springs once I get there though. So I'll be back. Alright, I'm here at yeah, here H&Rs, front, back, front. So this sure, I didn't even check them, but they look good. So yeah, I'm about to drop the keys off to them in here, and then go home and nap for real, cause I'm tired of stuttering and sound like a fool. Y'all can tell I don't get up early, man. I mean, I do, but not like this, cause I'm tired. I feel like a fool, boy. But yeah, so about to leave it up here with them. Go crash out at the crib. They probably ain't gonna start on it till like a little bit later, they said, but I'll probably still be asleep by the time they start. So that's pretty much it. I ain't really got too much else to talk about. Like I said, I ain't getting no cold start because I was running late. But anyway, I'll let y'all later. I can't wait to see how it look, but right now I need to sleep, so peace. Yo, I want these motherfuckers low key. I think they look good on them. These. Or something like this style too. But or that. So even the reds would look good too, but shit, them two, all these would look good, honestly. But I'm really messing with these tough. I might get a personal one. See what they talking about. Yeah. Alright, I'm back up here to pick old girl up. It look at it look from this angle. It look like it's fucking bad. But it's just on level ground, so I'm about to go in here and pay my bill out on, and then talk to y'all a little bit, and then I'm be out. I gotta come back from the alignment because they gotta let it settle, but I'll be back. Alright, so this how we sitting now. It's not really level right now, but you get an idea. That back dumped. What I'm probably gonna do just to bump it up a tad, because when I put my drag pack on, I'm gonna do a different size spring pad in the back, because they say the ones that's on there don't got a whole lot of life left anyway, so I'll just come back and probably let them do new spring pads on it. But it's sitting pretty nice. I'm gonna drive it around, and and also, bro, I hit something on the road the other day, and it cracked my damn fog light, so I gotta get a new fog light. But I'm gonna drive it around and see how it's looking at night too, under the lights, with it being lowered now. So that's pretty much it. I ain't do shit, so I dropped it off, so it's pretty much just me picking it back up. But another reason too, I think the wheel well looks so full back here is because it's a taller tire, but I like it. It's sitting low. I hated how the ass end was up in the air, so I'm happy. But I'll let y'all not get back from the gym. So now it's pretty flat ground, so you get an idea of how it's sitting. Because the wheel arches in the back are different from the front, it kind of look like it's lower in the back, but it's the same. It's just the arch is different. But you can put different spring pads in the rear and it'll bump it up a little bit so it'll look level. But y'all let me know what y'all think. I mean, I got lower profile tires in the front, so ignore these scratches. But I got lower profile tires in the front, so it look like it's sitting higher, but got these RAAAs back here, and them bitches stuffed. I'm probably, to put my drag pack on, I'm probably have to roll this because it's a little lip, but it ain't rubbing at all right now. So y'all just let me know what you think. If I should bump it up in the back or just leave it as is. Low key, damn that shit loud. Low key, I'm probably just gonna leave it. In my opinion, I'm gonna leave it for now. Cause I mean, when you rolling this shit, I've been looking at the reflection. It looked level, and I wanted a level look. I hate rake, so y'all let me know. Cause I mean, from this angle, it don't look bad at all. I mean, it don't look bad in general, but I'm saying the height difference don't look like shit. But y'all let me know what you think. Look good though. Look real good. But yeah, man, like I said, I ain't really do shit to it myself, so I ain't got too much to vlog. But also, y'all let me know on these. So I ain't really made up my mind on these, if I want to do the red depot ones instead of the tinted one like it's got. I might just do the all red thing, but ain't really decided yet. So I'm probably gonna get the roof wrap next, and then think about wheels. I like these, but I feel like with it being low now, I kind of need some other ones. But I don't know. We'll see. So that's pretty much it for today. Damn, can't see my black ass for real, but that's pretty much it for today. So y'all like, comment, subscribe per usual, turn the notification bells on. Oh yeah, I added a little intro now, so y'all let me know what y'all think about the intro. I'll slap that together today, and I like it. I think it's pretty good little intro. This video probably only gonna be like 5 minutes, between 5 and 10 minutes. So the intro is only like 20 something seconds. So everybody was telling me I needed one, and I hit 500 subs. So thank y'all for that finally. But I'm on a regular schedule now, so it should be better. But I'm also doing a giveaway. I was gonna do like probably like $100 giveaway, but I'm gonna say that for like when I hit 1,000. So for now, I'm probably just do $50 giveaway or like a gift card to some type of shit, something. So yeah, y'all just let me know, and I'm gonna explain how I'm gonna do the giveaway thing. I might post like a little short or something like that, so y'all can see how to enter. But it's probably gonna be like you subscribe and then repost a video, something like that, and then I'm gonna write everybody's name who comment under the thing on like a little piece of paper and then pull it. So but yeah, that's it, man. Appreciate y'all per usual. I'll give you one more look. Sitting good. But yeah, so like I said, comment, subscribe, like, notification bells. That's it. Peace.
Diamonds on me fleeting, diamonds on me fleeting, diamonds on me fleeting. Bad bitch with me freaking. Fuck that bitch this evening. Fuck that bitch, then leave her. 21 Savage don't need you. Dog nigga hoe mistreat her. 2 cell phone, sell dope, no beef.